Well, I needed a little break from my projects, so I am at one of my other apartments. This is actually one of my favorite places that I own. It's a looks like a little cottage, and I had a tenant move out, not in a great way, but this is they call it the Sunnyside Cottage here. But it's a really pretty little place, and you can see I have got all the cabinets up here. I'm going to replace the kitchen in this one because it was a mess, so I'm taking a break from the other house. But unfortunately, when I get in here, I find out that these folks haven't cleaned out, and there's some dog poop. I'm getting used to that all over the place. So they basically left a bunch of their junk here in the kitchen. You can see I started to tear apart the kitchen, so I'll show this afterwards. And you can see all the junk out here. Nice of them to leave it all. So anyways, and then yeah, and you also get the whole refrigerator left full of stuff. So that's wonderful. And I can take you upstairs here as long as I'm running around. I might as well show you. This is a small little cottage, so it's got like weird ceilings and everything, but like I said, it's kind of a nice place. And you can see up here, they didn't do anything. I put this bathroom in a couple of times ago. That shower and everything. So yeah, so they left all their junk here. I love it. And in the bedroom, you can see all the crap I gotta clean out. So, one more time, this is the third time that this particular apartment has been left, and left most of their stuff. So I don't know what it is with this apartment, but it is an odd situation. This has literally happened 3 times where I've had to clean out this apartment. So I don't know. Had one good tenant here, and I've had 3 tenants that just kind of walked away. So hopefully I can find a new one after I get it all renovated and put all the new cabinets in here. The plan is to get rid of this door. This goes down to the basement, but there's also another door going down to the basement from the outside. So I'm going to take this and wall it off and put a cabinet right out inside there. So hopefully that'll give it a little bit more room. It's a pretty small kitchen right now, but I think it'll come out. We'll see. Anyways, so wish me luck. Hope everyone has a great day. See ya.